Hi there, Melody from WTI. What do you put in your backpack? I'm going to show you what I put in my amazingly roomy Nightcat backpack. You're going to be so impressed with it. This Nightcat outdoor backpack is made of high quality tear-resistant polyester material and water-resistant nylon fabric material. It is only 1 kilogram in weight, but it holds up to 70 liters of equipment. We managed to take 2 of our backpacks with emergency supplies in it, and we were able to put it into this one backpack. The more we searched, the more pockets we found, and we were able to stash so many more things in it. I was so impressed. So this backpack is universal fit. It comes with so many different straps. It secures things in place. It tightens things up. So when you're putting everything in here, wherever you put it, it's going to stay. It's not going to be moving and bouncing all around. I absolutely love these shoulder straps because they're padded. So it's really going to help carry the burden. And of course, they're adjustable too. So it fits anybody and everybody. These 2 little buckles will make sure that things stay in place as well as you carry it around your body. The pockets here have the mesh in them. So again, you can use them with things. And sometimes we forget what we put in the pocket. So we can see these ones. There's just so much room with this backpack. Hanging things, you can put poles here. You can put your tents and sleeping bags. There's just so much. And even around the waist, this belt has a zipper in it and it's padded again to help carry the burden and all that weight that you are going to have in your backpack. And it comes with a bonus whistle. So whether you're using it for a camping trip, a hiking trip, or even like we are, having it ready to grab on the go if we have to run for an emergency, you're going to be happy with this backpack from Nightcat, just like we are. But that's my point of view.